my dear students, welcome back to this miniature school. I believe you are all happy and safe at home. I really appreciate the students who are actively sending the activities to me. I really appreciate you all kids. Okay, don't fail to send that. Students are continually sending me the activities and some students, okay, neglecting that, and it's for you. So please make it out. Before we get into our classes, we'll do warm-up exercise, but today's warm-up exercise is a little bit different. Let's take a workbook. Let's take your workbook. Take page number 18. See here, this part. Page number 18. I believe from last class, you know how to recite a poem. Here they have given like a small poem, a kind of rhymes kind of poem. A very small poem, but it will teach you something, I'm sure, okay? I promise you that it will teach you something. Okay, shall I read that? Or read along with me? Yes, I believe you know how to recite a poem. So read along with me. Try to, okay? We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. That's the way we do what's right. These words are my friends, both day and night. Can you understand anything from that poem? This poem is all about the polite words. What does mean by polite words? Panivana. Polite words. These words like thank you, please, and excuse me. Do you remember these words that I said before? Yes. Magical words, I said you in the first general awareness class, I think so. Magical words. Those are the three magical words. Here we have like polite words. Okay, the poem is like, can you read along with me now? We say thank you, we say please, and excuse me when we sneeze. That is the way we do what's right. These words are my friends, both day and night. Okay, do you understand anything? That means you have to use these to make sure you are using these three words in your daily activities. That means if someone appreciates you or congratulates you or someone gave something for you, you have to say thank you. Yes, and like for please, if you are asking for something, you have to use can you please do that, or can you please give me that. Excuse me is like if you have to do something, like excuse me, why will do that? While they enter into the class, while the ma'am is in, you have to say, excuse me ma'am, shall I get in? Excuse me. While we sneeze, like while we are in a conversation and all of a sudden we are getting sneeze and you have to say, excuse me, achoo. Okay? This is a procedure to use thank you, please, and excuse me. So please read that poem. This is your warm-up exercise today. First read this poem. See? So please read this poem and send that to me. Read this poem and send that. It's a very small poem, nothing big here. So you can use your own way to send this. Please recite this poem and send it to me. It's a very small poem and it's nothing big here. So use your own way to recite. Try to follow me. If it can't, then try your own way. Okay? You can do it. Can you do it? Okay. So shall we do the other parts? Shall we get into our class? Okay. Let's start. We start our class with that warm-up exercise poem. Warm-up exercise poem because that consists of rhyming words. You can enjoy reading. Okay. Shall we move to that exercise part? Exercise part there in page number 18. Shall we? See, B part. First one. Please Second one, right. So I'm going to give pair of words here. Release. Please release. And here, right and fight. Okay, so you can give one more words for each, for please and right, from that poem. See, we can get from that poem. See, we have more rhyming words there. So read that poem again and give two words here, like for please and right, one more word for each, and take a snap and send it to me. Okay, so shall we move to the C part? So these are the words here. Try to write there. So can you give me a rhyming word for hall? Hall. Yes. Ball. For play. Can you guess? Yes. Clay. Yes. Clay. For the word hide. Wide. Or any word. Ride. Wide. Bide. Okay. Fish. Yes. Dish of mother's apple pie. So, dish. Fish. Dish. Write it down there. Okay. So, we completed the workbook portion. And shall we have some spelling part? Can you help writing that? Tell me the spelling for the word dish. Tell me. D-I-S-H. Dish. D-I-S-H. Yes, the next word. Sneeze. Got that word through this poem. Sneeze. Try it out. Yes. Next. N. A. No. What is that? E. Then. E. Then. Z. Then. E. Yes. N. E. E. Z. E. Sneeze. We got the word sneeze. Next word. Can you give me the spelling for the word? Please. Yes. P. L. E. A. Then. Yes. E. P. L. E. A. Yes. E. Please. We got the word please. Shall we try two more words? Yes. Simple word. Leg. Yes. Very easy. L. E. G. Leg. L. E. G. Next. Can you give me the spelling for the word lick? Yes. L. I. C. K. L. I. C. K. We got the word lick. So this is how we are forming the words. Okay. Next. I'm going to play an animation video of the chapter 2, that is the poem Dish of Mother's Apple Pie. Okay, I will play that animation video. There you can find the animation of the poem as well as the reading style. This will help you for improve your reading and get into more understanding about that poem. Okay.
Dish of mother's apple pie. A human is different from a cow. So listen now, I'll tell you how. A cow likes chewing grass all day, and for a treat likes tasty hay. Would you like grass instead of chips? Would hay just make you lick your lips? Well, ask a cow to come and try a dish of mother's apple pie. She'll turn her nose up, stamp her feet, and tell you no, that's far too sweet. I don't think I'll give that a try. And then she'll say a quick goodbye.
Okay, children, I believe you enjoyed animation video. So, shall we see the exercise part? For that, please take your student's book. Take page number 28. Student's book, page number 28. Page number 28, A portion. Choose the correct words from the poem. Okay, I'm going to ask the question. Think and say, or else go back to the animation, or else go back to your book. I mean, turn the page like page number 27 and see the answer for that and tell me. Okay, see. A dash is different from a human. First line of the poem. A tiger, B horse, C human. Answer is human. Can you spell it out? H-U-M-A-N. Human. Second question. A cow likes dash for a treat. What does a cow likes? A. Hay, B. Paper, C. Sweets. A. Hay. C. H-A-Y. Hay. Third question. Ask a cow to taste mother's dash. We saw that, yes? Options A. Soup, B. Apple pie, C. Cake. Yes, option B. Apple pie. And you spell it out. A-P-P-L-E. Apple pie. P-I-E. Very good, children. Shall we move to fourth question? Yes, fourth question. The cow turns her nose up and stamps her. I said you already. Yes, stamps her feet. So option A, fingers, B, tail, C, feet. So the answer is feet. Spell it out for me. F-E-E-T. Feet. Fifth question. The cow thinks the apple pie is for two. The cow thinks the apple pie is, take page number 27. See there. Third stanza, second line. Third stanza, second line. So the options are sour, B, bitter, C, sweet. So the answer is option C, sweet. Spell it out. S, W, E, E, T. Sweet. So the first answer is human. Second answer is hay. Third answer is apple pie. Fourth answer is peach. And the final answer is sweet. So here we come to the end of the video. And today's activities are two activities. Yes. What are they? First one. I have to recite that poem in page number 18. Not the dish of the mother's apple pie. Not dish of mother's apple pie. It's that polite words. Here in page number 18. See that one. And you have to give one more word for the please and write. Okay. Send me that. Okay. Take care. Send me that. Don't forget and hesitate to send me that. Send me that. It's for you. Okay. Take care. Bye-bye. Thank you.